You develop a NetScaler configuration that works. All the right settings are in place, traffic is flowing, everything behaves as expected. But that configuration only exists as it's running today on that instance, not as something you can clearly define, reproduce, and control. That's where the NetScaler config to infrastructure as code tool comes in, also known as NSCONF2 IAC. Let's look at what that actually means. Here's our dev environment in action. Every request is being load balanced across back-end instances, and we can see exactly how traffic is flowing in real time. So, this system works. But right now, this only exists as a configured system on this instance, not something we can reliably reproduce. To move this into another environment, like staging, the first step is to actually define it. Using nsconfig to infrastructure as code, we can capture the running NetScaler configuration and convert it into Terraform or Ansible. Everything we just saw, load balancing, backend services, security configs, is now defined as code. Now, instead of rebuilding this manually in staging, we can apply that same definition. And immediately, the system reflects the change. We didn't touch the UI, we changed the code and the system followed it. But in real environments, things don't stay clean. A service goes down or something changes, and now what's running no longer matches what we intended. Because we've defined the desired state, we don't fix it manually, we simply reapply it. And the system returns to exactly what we declared. That's the shift with NetScaler as code. We start with a working system, but one that only exists at runtime. We turn it into a defined state, change it through code, and when it drifts, the system comes back automatically. That's what it means to move from runtime to desired state.